Hey everybody, today is the day. I finally got my Starlink kit. It's the new rectangular one. And I'm doing a quick unboxing video before I install it. So let's get to it. The box looks a little different than how I've been looking at it on Reddit. All the unboxing videos on YouTube and Reddit and whatnot. So it looks a little smaller, a little bit more streamlined, I guess. And here we go. I swear these guys look like they put a lot of effort into this for sure. Okay. And there we go. Looks like the stand is a little different, and I'll take some caliper measurements here in a second. I know some people were asking about that. Okay. And look at it. It's definitely rectangular. Looks pretty simple. Pretty simple instructions. I like the new, how the new router image looks, and I don't know, looks pretty simple. So I don't own the first Starlink. This is my first one. And that's interesting. Looks like the router is even waterproof, because it looks like a IP67 or higher waterproofing thing. Gasket. And here's the cable. It's got that seal, so I wonder if this is actually able to go outside. I'll have to look. It says it's IP54 Type 3S. So I'll have to look that up later, but I don't know, maybe this can go outside too. So I did order the Ethernet dongle and the a longer cable just in case I need it, but it looks pretty easy from what I understand. This pops out, the Ethernet goes in there. Then there's another box, then the power goes into that, but I don't have that yet, so I can't confirm. But yeah, that's it. That's the router. Now it's time for setup.